What's up guys? For today's video, I'm super excited for this one. It's my very first FTP unboxing. Now I've known about FTP for a very long time. I just never really got anything. Most of the drops I was like really late to because I was either working or out doing something, so I missed almost every drop in the past because I really wanted the FTP Uzi, but I wasn't able to get that. So now, this was the most recent drop. I don't know what it was called, but I've got a ton of stuff. I actually got over $300 worth of stuff and it's all right here. But the only problem is I don't have all the packages right now. I'm missing one, but I was kind of just waiting to do this video, but the shipping took absolutely forever. Like even just this one, this was the first one that came and the date on this is 12/12. So I don't know if that means I got this. No, yeah, so that means they shipped this on 12/12. But then like the date on this one is 12/21, and then the date on that one's 12/20. So like I got all these at different times, and the other one is still not here, and right now it's the 29th. So I have no idea when the other one's going to come, but it has taken a very long time, but I'm gonna let it slide. I know they're like an independent thing, not like as crazy as Supreme, and Supreme has awful shipping as well. But anyways, enough of me talking, let's get right into this. I think this is just one item, so I'll do this one first. Now, I did get a ton of stuff for my accessory shelf that is still in the works of being built right now, just because I'm waiting to get all these accessories in before I start putting things together. And then I also hopefully got some things for the personal collection. And then I'm also hoping that I got some stickers, because you know we out here collecting stickers. I love getting all the stickers from any clothing company. I don't know if FTP gives out stickers all the time like Supreme sometimes does. And oh, I guess I did already get a sticker. I'll wait to go over the stickers until like the end. So let me make sure that there's nothing in there. I guess they don't send invoices or anything. Now, this is my first FTP shirt, so remember that. Now the packaging is pretty dope. I like how, phone's going crazy right now. I like how they're all individually packaged. Now I remember this was like my main thing I wanted for the personal collection, but I must have been blind when I was on the site, because when I was like going through up and down looking at things, I couldn't find this. I wanted it in black, but by the time I realized that I forgot all about it. Black was sold out, so I had to get this in white. So let me open this up real quick. I just went with my like true to size. They kind of get large and everything, so I'm hoping that their larges fit me. And this logo is so sick. It just says FTP everywhere with like this big F. And I love this because it has a nice sleeve print. Look how sick this looks. Hopefully you can kind of see this in the camera. And then the back print, fire, same thing as on the sleeve, and the front just has the big F. This is sick. Definitely hope this one fits me. I want this for the personal collection. I'm not too mad that I couldn't get it in black. I still think white is pretty sick. Just would have preferred the black. Now next up is this one. I think I got the I need my knife. All right, so let's see what's in this one. A bunch of bubble wrap. Dang, this is so sick, dude. I wonder if it had a cap. Am I missing the, I don't know if this had a cap on it. I feel like there should have been a cap on this. I don't want to spray this. It says gloss acrylic spray paint, but this looks so sick. It says FTP like all over it, and it says LAC and FTP, all that stuff. This is so sick. Definitely excited to put this on here. Super flammable, I guess. And there's some more bubble wrap. Now I got another tee. It appears I didn't get any stickers in this order, and I did get like an invoice thing, so you might not, it might be like Supreme where you don't get one in all of them. And this is also for the personal collection. If I can get this out. Oh, for a second I thought it was broken. I was really upset. It's just the FTP ashtray. This looks sick. It has the FTP on it right there with the red smiley graphic, and then on the back it just says FTP. This looks sick too. So I like how it's red because it matches like all my Supreme stuff, and I really don't have anywhere to put this, so I'm just gonna set it right there. Packaging was pretty nice on that too. And then I got one more t-shirt in this order. It's the same t-shirt to match the ashtray that I just got right there. And I got this in a size large as well. These feel like really nice cotton t-shirts. Like I feel like I can almost guess the blinks on these. Like they feel really familiar. Can't really think about it. I really like this logo. This was also a color I wasn't going for. I was going for the black colorway. Obviously you should have seen that coming, but I had to get it in the red. By the time I made it here, the black was sold out, so I had to get large, and I really enjoy the tags they got. FTP 100% cotton large. And then I got one last unboxing before I switch on over to me in the future, opening the last one. Hoping this is the order where I got like a bunch of stuff in one order. This is not good because I don't think I ordered this. I feel like I never would have ordered this. I really hope this one has an invoice. Wow, that's sick. They threw in free stuff. I mess with FTP heavy. They actually gave me something for free, because I know I didn't buy this. I don't even remember seeing this. So they must have just threw this in for free, so that's sick. And it's not on my invoice, so I'm glad there actually was an invoice. But they gave me this free #1 FTP hat. Okay, so I don't know if they threw this in for free actually, or if they like accidentally put this in there, but regardless, this is pretty sick for me. I just don't really think I would personally wear this, but it's still pretty sick. #1 FTP, it's kind of like a camp style hat, I think. I don't know, maybe it's just crushed, it looks like that. Like a 5-panel, or I really don't know. But on the back, it just says F the population. So that is pretty sick, regardless if they threw that in for free or what. Next up is this FTP beanie. This is sick. It looks like it fits insanely good, but for my last Supreme video, I'm not going to be trying this on because I do not have enough confidence to wear beanies, but it feels really nice. This is like exactly how I would imagine my perfect beanie to fit. So I've been on the hunt for that perfect beanie for myself, and this kind of feels and looks really nice. And I love that logo right there, FTP. Ooh, we actually got a lot of stickers in this one, so that's cool, but we're gonna save the stickers till the end. And let me put the box down, because this is the one where I got a bunch of stuff in one order. So let's open this. This is another item for the personal collection, and I'm excited to throw this up on my accessory shelf. Now, I really like how they ship their ceramic stuff. Honestly, I think they ship it better than Supreme does, because I see some people get their stuff broken, but they wrapped all my stuff in bubble wrap. And when I say some people get their stuff broken, I mean from Supreme, not FTP. But it's this sick logo, like this Jester logo. This might even be called the Jester mug. But it's all black and it has, it looks like the paint is chipping a little bit, but it's all good as long as it's not broken. I'm not tripping. So I got 2 coffee mugs now, one Supreme one and one FTP one. I'll just put this here for right now until I can find out where everything's gonna go. And this is probably my favorite accessory that I picked up, is the foam finger. I was able to get 2 of these, but the other one is in the other order of mine. But this is so sick. It doesn't really fit me though, but this is just gonna go right up on my shelf. And also, I'm so mad at myself every day for this. I purposely passed on the teddy bear. I just really wasn't feeling it. But now, like, I really wish I would have just bought the teddy bear. It's all good though. I might be able to get it in the future, who knows. But let's just move on to more of these tees. I guess I got a lot of tees though. I didn't remember getting this many. I should probably check the invoice. Maybe I got something else for free. But here's this red shirt, and I really like this logo. I'm sorry, I never really know what the shirts are called, like the correct names that they use. But it just has this dude on it in this purple outfit, and it says FTP on his shirt. Got this in red. It might only come in red, and this is also in a size large. Next up, we got a burgundy one. This one looks sick. I don't really remember what this one was. This is like a jail tee or something like that. This FTP institution has like the jail bars and like some guy's hands on it with this star logo. This is pretty sick. I believe this was the one that we've seen a lot of on the lookbook. And then the last tee for this order is this purple one. I really like this purple. This is a really nice purple. It's also in a size large, and it's like this wolf or dog barking. It says FTP, barking loud, saying something, real stuff from the underground. So this is sick. I really, really like this purple. The camera doesn't really pick it up that great on what it really looks like. This is a really nice purple. Before I switch on over to the next one, I just want to go over the stickers in case I forget. I got 2 of the black and white FTP stickers, and then I got 1 of the white and black FTP. This one is so sick. I got a green and yellow one. But then my favorite one, which I'm really excited I got this one, it matches the shirt and the ashtray. It's this like smile face one with the FTP. So now we're gonna transition on over to me opening up the last box from my FTP unboxing. All right, what's up guys? Before I get into this, I do apologize if the audio sounds weird or if this is really grainy. I'm going through some extreme struggles right now with my brand new camera. The audio keeps sounding weird to me, and then it gets really grainy. I don't know why. I feel like I have enough light in here and I'm turning all the stuff down, so I don't really know. So hopefully you can bear with me, and I hope it looks good. But enough about that. It's been a really long time since I filmed that previous FTP video, but the shipping did take a very, very long time to get here. But like I said earlier, I'm not mad at all. I mean, I know like FTP is like really independent compared to Supreme, so they can take as long as they want. I think it took about a month for everything to get here, but I already opened all the stuff. I'm sorry guys, I had to get that stuff out of here, so I really didn't have time, and I knew I wasn't really gonna have time to open it, but I'm still gonna show you what I got. Now, I got another navy beanie, but I already sold that because the beanies went super fast. Those lasted like less than a minute, I feel like, and those sold like immediately. So I don't have that beanie anymore, but it was the same exact beanie. And then lastly in that package was just another foam finger. These things are sick, not really that popular, but I think they were only like $6. So if I'm stuck with it, I'm stuck with it, because I got one to keep. Obviously it's up there, I don't know if you can see it. Accessory prices with FTP, insane. Everything's so cheap. If you got the teddy bear, please let me know. Drop a comment if you got the teddy bear, I'm down to buy it. But lastly though, that was my favorite like transaction, I guess you could say, just because they hooked it up with the stickers. This was the most stickers I got. I got my favorite logo from this drop, which is, I think it's the smiley logo. So I got 2 of these. I might have got one earlier, but I don't really remember, it's been so long. But I got 2 more of those. And then I'm not gonna say what this one says, but I'm sure you guys can just read it. It's this one right here. It's a pretty nice die cut. This one's sick, only got 1 of these. But then I got 2 more of this one to match the tee. I'm not entirely sure if this one was on a tee. I don't remember the whole drop, but it might have been on a tee. But this one was for sure on the tee, and then so was this. I felt like they really hooked it up with the stickers, and I'm super grateful for that. But that's my first FTP unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yes, I'm wearing a hat. I don't think I've ever worn a hat in a video, but I'm going through probably my worst haircut I've ever had in my life. So I gotta let it grow back so I can build up the confidence before I start showing you guys my hair again. I don't know what I was trying to say there. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I got a ton of Supreme and Palace and other like hype beast videos, so make sure you go check all those out, and please subscribe. But make sure you drop a like and a comment. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from this drop, or what's your favorite FTP piece. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll try to reply to all of you guys. So far, I've been replying to like everyone. I've been on that. So shout out to everyone that's dropping a comment, and like I just said, just like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out all my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.